When it comes to storing steel plates, which one should you choose? Today, we'll provide a clear answer based on 3 dimensions: cost, space utilization, and safety. First, consider cost. Heavy-duty pallet racks are economical storage devices, featuring relatively simple materials and construction, requiring a lower initial investment. Second, consider space utilization. Sheet steel storage racks eliminate the need for pallets, allowing for more storage space. Finally, and most crucially, safety. Heavy-duty pallet racks can withstand downward pressure well, no problem. However, their Achilles heel is their vulnerability to side impacts. Even a minor collision from a forklift can cause fatal damage, or even cause them to topple. In contrast, sheet steel storage racks, with their sturdier construction and thicker materials, offer significantly greater safety. If you store a small amount of steel plates and have a low rack height, e.g., around 3 meters, you can choose the economical heavy-duty pallet rack. However, if you have a large storage volume or a tall warehouse, sheet metal racks are a must for safety and optimal space utilization.